Let's make some keema and cheese stuffed naan in the air fryer. Three cups of plain all-purpose flour, salt, milk powder. If you don't have milk powder, just use liquid fresh milk. Baking powder, the dry ingredients, yogurt, oil, or you can use butter as well. Start mixing the ingredients and gradually add warm water to knead a soft dough. Once you've kneaded a soft dough, drizzle some oil on it, cover it and let it rest for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and this is 300 grams of chicken keema or chicken mince. You can use beef or lamb, whatever you like. We have to fry this keema until it's brown. Once the keema has been fried, add ginger garlic paste, chopped onion, capsicum, coriander and tomatoes. Everything is gonna go in together. Salt, coriander powder, paprika or red chili powder, red chili flakes, kasuri methi, cumin powder, black pepper. Cook this on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is how the keema filling looks when it's ready. Preheat your air fryer for 5 to 10 minutes, 200 degrees Celsius. Dust some plain flour on your work surface. This is the dough. Take some dough here. Roll it out a little bit, not too much. Spread a little bit of oil on it, just in the center. Dust some flour on, add the keema filling. So I'm gonna add cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese here. You can use whatever cheese you have. Gently lift the dough and start bringing it together in the center. Like this. Very gently roll it out, not too much. Make impressions with my finger. Use a fork if you want to do that. We're gonna brush it with yogurt. You can use milk or egg yolk mixed with a little bit of milk if you don't have yogurt, or if you don't want to use yogurt. Some coriander, sesame seeds, achada seeds. This is pretty hot, so be careful. Just drop the naan in. That's it. This is gonna go in the air fryer 200 degrees Celsius for about 5 to 6 minutes. It's perfectly cooked.